Hello ANML community. Today I'm going to give you 42 free resources on robotics. If you would like to go on robotics or you want to talk about robots and you want to program the robots, you want to get into the robotic world, please check these courses. I'm going to give you those link on my description. Also, I can also give you a detailed explanation on who are all giving that. There are Stanford, MIT, UC Berkeley, Oxford. There are many universities are providing these courses. But let's check who are all they provided on this robotics. Stay tuned. Go to github.com developer YCS video courses robotics. If you click that, it will come. Robotics is it's going to be dominate the world in the future. It will happen in 2 years or 5 years. Nobody knows, but it will rule the world in the future, because you cannot be without that. Earlier when they said the computer is going to dominate, everybody said no, it won't. But now without the computer we cannot live also. For example, the handheld computer system is nothing but is a mobile. It's a small computer on a hand. So it's the same thing. The robots will come and then they will do the work for us on the many things. One of the biggest advantages, if you see in healthcare, we are actually doing very good on that, on the healthcare side. The next one, the dangerous areas where the human cannot go, the robotics is helping them to go and do the work for them. So if you like to go more into the robotics, nowadays is a weak AI, we call it as we develop most of the things on the side, but strong AI is still not developed. But many researches are going on in many university and many institutions. The once a strong AI comes, it's a critical thinking on the thinking side, then it will dominate the world, and then we can see many robots will available tomorrow. Even you don't have to drive your car, you don't have to you don't need your driving license to drive the car. Automatically it'll come, it will take you to the destination as well. That's what you are going to see it in the future. But one thing I'm sure, we are going to be more lazy than now, right? If you are a computer engineer, you can see that you are sitting 16 hours a day in the in front of the system. The same thing, the robotics will help you. It won't allow you to do any work, so you will always ask the robot to work for you. Let's go and check this website, github.com developer YCS video courses robotics. Introduction to robotics. Stanford University is providing that. Under actuated robotics, MIT, and then advanced robotics at UC Berkeley. Applied robot design from Stanford University. Visual navigation, flying robots. Introduction to robotic course. Introduction to vision and robotics, 2015. If you see some of the courses, actually they took it as a semester classes that they posted on their website, on the YouTube, so that the student can watch it. After the COVID, the many of them is posted on online so that the students can benefit. Now it is available for others as well. More and more you can see free videos are available right now on the web. You can see that the perception for autonomous driving, you can see that Tesla is dominating, so everybody is moving to autonomous car driving. If you're from India, IIT Bombay also it's provide that those courses. And then we have a robot operating system, MIT. Introduction to vision and robotics, University of Edinburgh. Autonomous mobile robotics, where the robotics walk and then they can go and do, as I said, from the dangerous works, or it will help for the humans. Foundation of robotics control, IIT is providing. And then mobile sensing and robotics and then robotics from IIT Kharagpur as well. There are many courses available already. There are 42 free courses available. If you want to enroll, or if you are interested in robotics, first you come and check this link and then go to the website and then go through the videos. If you like it, then leave it there, or if you want to take it further on the step, then you can join any university and go and study there. But however, if you are interested or something you want to know about robotics, first you check these videos. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay even a single dollar for this course, as I know, as per my understanding. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can post more videos in the future. Thank you.